Hi, Juliet speaking.
Clap in your hand first.
Hello, here is Jumi.
Hi, it's Nampon here.
Okay, good for me. Hello, so Titouan here.
I think there was a really good cooperation between all of you. You managed to, come up with this big energy, and you managed to bring a lot of professionalism in our communication strategy. You worked very well with us. You pushed us to get better, and I'm really thankful for that. Really good, even project management skills within your team and coordination. For me personally, I also learned a lot from this knowledge, and I have been motivated by all the motivations that you guys sent to me.
It was a pleasure. I'm so happy to be able to get to know everyone. You teach me about how to be more aware of the brand on social media.
Now I'm gonna be the one in charge of the communication strategy, and the really nice thing is that I have really a framework and everything in place I need to do my job without having to actually create a communication strategy. Everything is just there already, and that's just thanks to you guys. Thank you a lot, Emlyon team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. It was nice working with you.
Thank you.